That's the buffalo. That's the bison, Benji. We saw that. That's pretty far. Who do you want to go see next, Benji?
Lions.
Lions? Where are the lions? That's another of those bandicoots. Bandicoot. Huh? I don't know what it really is. I know there's a video game character. But it sort of looks here like an armadillo or something, or a possum, like a possum, no, like a possum. How's that ketchup, Benji? Hey, Benji.